hazardous materials warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency in conjunction with the Co-op City Power Plant. At around 2:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Co-op City Power Plant had reported that all reactors had been collapsed to the ground and spreading out radioactive materials towards the area. Within 40-mile radiuses, occurred near blocks away from the Co-op City Power Plant, which will have radioactive materials spread out, and also will pose an extreme threat to life or property. Because of the possible threat of explosions and the release of radioactive materials into the air, all residents within a 40-mile radius are advised to seek a fallout shelter or evacuate from this area immediately. Make sure you have the necessary items such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries in your shelter or for your evacuation. If you are attempting to evacuate, tie a white towel to your door or mailbox to notify your authorities that you have safely obeyed the evacuation procedures. Put on an improved gas mask rated NBC to protect yourself from radioactive materials. Do not delay. Evacuate or seek a fallout shelter now.